What up, everybody? Today we're back here at Dansville and we're going to be going over some of my favorite, and I think personally the best 3D printed for free photo and video accessories on the internet right now. What do I mean by that? These are things that you can go out on the internet on websites like Thingiverse, where all these came from, and I'm going to be leaving all the links in the description below so you too can download these. And if you have a 3D printer, print them. If not, maybe you got a buddy or the local, college or high school or whatever, get them to print this stuff for you. It's great. It's honestly, it's some of the best stuff out there specifically for the photo and video folks out there online. So without further ado, we're going to get into today's video. We got 4 things coming at you today. No particular order. They all work great. They're all something that I like to have in my quiver, and we're going to get into it right now. Okay, so the first one that we've got here is going to be this SD card USB, micro USB desk organizer. So that's gonna be number 1. The second thing that we got here is the USB, micro USB card wallet here. Number 3 is the GoPro hot shoe mount. Number 4, the 3D printed tripod. All right, so this is the 3D printed SD, micro SD, and USB desk organizer. Up top here, regular USBs. Over here we've got regular SD cards, and then this front rail is filled up for the micro SDs. So if we put all this stuff in here, just boom, like so. Blah blah, gablam, and cha, boom, there we go. So it holds quite a bit, helps keep the desk organized. It's absolutely fantastic. Let's move our way on to the second one. Like I said, guys, everything in here is going to be available for you. I'll put all the links in the description. The second one is a SD card little wallet. So it's very similar to what you often get when you purchase an SD card. One of these little plastic boys right here. But these guys can all, by the way, it's the same size. In fact, mine, the 3D printed one's even smaller. But these guys can only hold one big God, I keep saying that. These guys can only hold one large SD card and 2 micros. So you got one here, and then a micro here, and a micro here. This guy, on the other hand, can hold one big one, and then it actually has 4 slots for the micro SD cards that go in there. So this flips closed, just like these guys do. So it's definitely a little bit thicker, but it holds 2 more, and I mean, you can just slide this thing into the coin purse of your jeans or whatever, and then when you're ready to use it, boom, she opens up just like that. Okay, number 3, which I just lost the bolt out of this side when I got it out. I should have glued that in and I didn't, but whatever, you still get the idea here. I'll get another bolt, or nut, I'm sorry. This is the hot shoe GoPro mount. So if you're on a shoot, or if you're filming some buddies or taking pictures, and you want to have 2 things going on at once, and you want the GoPro in there, this little mount here, let me take this out. This little mount here just slides ever so nicely into the hot shoe of any camera. This one happens to be a Sony a6000, but it'll work with any hot shoe on any camera. There should be a bolt that goes right in there. but it's absolutely perfect. It fits the GoPro excellently. As you can see here, just slides right in there, and you know, no problems at all. It's a great little extension, a great little adapter to have. Takes about 50 minutes on the printer to make, and you've got yourself a nice little accessory that I haven't really seen sold in stores before. So that's a cool creative thing that somebody came up with to you know, fulfill a need in the marketplace. And that's what's really cool about 3D printing, is that you've got all these creative people making really cool stuff that's very, very useful, like these photo video accessories like I'm talking about right here. So that is number 3. Let's move on to number 4. The entirely 3D printed micro tripod. So you've got a nice solid base plate here that you can fit any camera on. I've had this Sony on there before. I've had the Canon that I'm currently filming this on there. I've had GoPro, and then also Sony's little action camera on here. And it's a great little tripod, very, very versatile. You know, like I said, you've got this really awesome base plate on there that you can rotate all different ways. You've got a really solid rear arm, and then 2 very adjustable front arms that can be tightened down with these bolts here. This guy's a little loose. So you can really set this thing up however you want. And then what's also really cool about it is that it all folds up very nicely, and you can hold it as a monopod for selfie vlog style recordings. So super cheap, durable alternative to, you know, going out and buying one of the Joby tripods or something. If you just need something extra, you know, maybe for an alternative angle or whatever. And like I said, you've got a 3D printer, or you know somebody that has one. These are all fantastic devices, or prints that I would highly recommend everyone going out there and getting their hands on. So like I said, all this stuff will be in the description below. All right, everybody, thanks for watching that quick video on my 4 best, most used, top useful 3D printed photo, video, camera accessories. The best ones you can get, all available for free at Thingiverse. Links in the description below. Like I said, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit like. If you want to see more stuff, please hit subscribe. We do kind of all sorts of stuff on this channel. I myself do have a 3D printer, so all this stuff I printed myself. All of them were very quick and easy to print. I think that if you download these guys and you print them, you'll all get some use out of them. So with that being said, thanks again, everybody, for watching. Really do appreciate it. Have a great night, and we'll see you on the next one.